I gotta go.
This is Tommy Twist. Hi, everybody. I'm Tommy Twist.
Okay.
And then back
96. Okay. We should be all boom, boom, boom.
Where's
right
another
there.
character?
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color, purple.
Okay. Not too
But
bad.
you're
Why?
red.
Couple miles.
Warren.
You know what?
Let the camera do the business and talk to him. Please talk to the.
No rush hour. So.
What's his name?
Hi, Carmen Camera.
Hi.
Hey, everybody, it's me. Give me those. I want to eat them. They'll be poisoned if you take them. Anywho, doesn't matter. Anywho, I went on a lovely stroll with it. Oh no. The end. Wait, Charlie has to do his final singing solo. Give me that.
Well, this is all for today.
Turn it off.
No, don't turn it off.
Oh my God. Ew, you can have them now. Haha, my crackers.
You make me a copy of it. That's
Oh, that was Will's?
What? No.
Oh, well, I bent it.
Twister.
Cheesy crackers.
Ah.
Cheesy crackers.
No, don't eat it. Don't eat
That
it.
used to be mine.
Oh,
She ate me.
I think I got one.
you're a mean person here.
She's a cracker killer. I can't see anything. Oh my God.
This film has been canceled for further notice.